Hi.
They also warm up early in the spring. So what's so important about the warming up? The sooner the bed warms up, the sooner you can get the vegetables in and growing. Now, Paul, at home,
You gonna take a drink? You just did. Okay. Ooh.
30 inches. You think that works? I think 30 would be good. Now, put your arm out, Bunny. Okay.
Can't drink it like that.
You're going to reach out.
You can't drink it like that. Crazy. Crazy baby. Oh boy. Oh boy.
To get started, we're going to come over here. Dante, I want to put a stake off of this wall at 6 feet. 6 feet is going to allow plenty
You
of
done?
room for Paul to get in here. So
Say night night.
right there.
Night night.
Mimi, you want to bang that in? 24 feet. Well, the tenders I bought are 12 feet long, so the easiest
Can you
thing to do is just double them up and make it 24. So I cut it exactly. We're going to put that stake right there.
Night night.
I just want to double check it. 6 feet off the wall. It'll be nice and parallel with the wall.
Bah. Ooh.
Okay, I'll let the far end and pull one in at 4 feet from me. Alright, what we're going to use to strip the grass with is rubber. We're just going to take this right in, down underneath the wall.
I'm getting it. Hold on. There you go.
Start the other end, that way no one hits each other, alright?
Look at that.
Well, hold on a second.
That was awesome. Good job, Bubbas. Good job. Say yay. Yay. Oh, sticky hands. You can't even clap. Your hands get stuck together. Yum, yum, yum.
The reason we want to get rid of the sod is that it can form a layer in the soil that will keep water from draining through. We don't want our bed to stay wet.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you're still
All
eating.
right, slide that in. Watch your fingers.
Good
What
job.
we have here is southern yellow pine.
Good job,
6
Bubbas.
by 6 by 12 feet.
I still got a piece right here.
Raw wood in the ground. Hey, Ron.
Still got a piece right there.
Most of the timbers we see are green.
You thirsty now?
That means they've been treated with a chemical. These ones are treated differently.
Are you thirsty now or what?
Process we found where these timbers are treated
Okay.
with
Bye-bye.
grass.
Say bye-bye.
Used with it off
Bye-bye.
the timber so that
Can you wave?
from rotting, and it also stops insects.
You're waving with your drink.